Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the same Google or Apple account linked to the lost phone. This gives you access to location and device features. Once signed in, open Find My Device or Find My iPhone and confirm the device name and last seen time so you know where to focus. Make sure you have a secondary phone or computer with internet access. This lets you call, message, or trigger actions remotely. These steps establish control and visibility over the lost mobile immediately. Once you have account access, go to Google Contacts or iCloud Contacts and export the list as a vCard or CSV. This retrieves numbers without the phone. If the device is online, send a message or ring it using the account portal to prompt a visible caller ID or notification that reveals contact info. You can also enable device backup or sync settings remotely to force contact upload. Make sure to check the account's recent activity to confirm successful sync before proceeding with export. To finish, import the exported vCard/CSV into your new phone or contacts app and verify key numbers. If contacts are missing, check backup folders, older account versions, or other linked accounts. Those often hold duplicates. Once done, contact your carrier to request numbers tied to the SIM account if needed. If nothing works, enable lost mode, lock the device, and report the IMEI to police. This protects data and gives a recovery path. Troubleshooting tip: if sync fails, re-authenticate the account and retry export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.